In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a batch payment file in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to gather approved bills into a single payment run and move smoothly through Xero's review screens so everything is accurate before you finalize. Before we start, make sure your bills have been approved and that the bank account you plan to pay from is set up in Xero. Having clear references and due dates on your bills will also make this process faster. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to Purchases. This area holds all your supplier bills and is the best place to control what's going out of your business. From there, open Bills to view the full list. To focus only on bills that are ready to be paid, switch to the Awaiting Payment view. This filters out drafts and approved, but not yet, due items you may not want to include. Now, select the bills you want to pay in this batch by ticking the checkboxes next to each one. Take a moment here to scan supplier names, due dates, amounts, and currencies if you use multi-currency. If you need to split a payment later or exclude a bill, it's easier to decide that now before you move ahead. You can also use the search and sorting tools to group by supplier or due date to keep your cash flow organized. With your bills selected, choose Make Payment. Xero will guide you into the payment flow. Next, select the bank account you'll pay from. Confirm you've picked the correct account, especially if you maintain multiple operating or trust accounts, and double-check the currency aligns with the bills you selected. This helps avoid exchange rate surprises and reconciliation issues later. Continue to review bills. On this screen, confirm totals, supplier details, and references. Look for anything unusual, like duplicated invoices or amounts that don't match your records. If something doesn't look right, you can go back, deselect a bill, or correct it before proceeding. Accuracy here saves time when you reconcile the payment in your bank feed. When everything checks out, continue to the payment summary. This page provides a final overview of the batch, giving you clarity on who is being paid and the total cash outlay. Use this moment to sanity check the total against your expected cash flow for the day or week. If your organization uses approvals, this is also a good point to pause for internal review before you finalize. That's it. You've grouped your bills, reviewed them carefully, and reached the summary stage for creating your batch payment in Xero. Thanks for watching and happy batching.